Hello my friends, I'm so excited to show you the solution for the timetable to make it seen on the whole screen. So you don't need to scroll, just find your course, it will work with anyone, the code base is the same, doesn't matter, I'll choose whatever. And I need to scroll to actually see the whole timetable, that's why we are going to DevTools, F12, press Ctrl F and find a div with an ID of calendar, sorry. And here we are going to inline styles and set the height to 2000 pixels. And there you go. Now you can see the whole timetable. You can even zoom out the whole day. Now just take a screenshot, drop it into your notes, and you're done and busted.